Irina doesn't want to go on this thing. No.
Be stuck in the tin can.
I think we should go.
Maybe you can see from here how it looks.
It has a nighttime one as well, so you can go. You don't have to wait till tomorrow. We can go tonight. And look, it clearly says right there, air conditioning. So I don't know what all these ugly rumors online were. Hey. I think one of the reasons to go on this yellow submarine here is just because the reviews are so amazing. The most meaningless experience I had in my life. Definitely not worth the money. You see nothing but stones. And then some German complaining about how they don't leave on time. Anyway, I think it's going to be fun. We'll see. All right, so you're going to go on the submarine?
I will do this for you because I'm a good wife and I know how much you want to go.
You heard her. She's going to go on the submarine.
I will sacrifice myself.
Okay,
for you.
Let's do it.
Marriage is all about sacrifices.
Here. Pay.
Okay, 20 euro. Here you go.
Oh, I get change?
Your money back.
No. I just had to give
Look at that.
I mean, you don't need this, but it's just my job.
Yellow submarine. Thank you.
But are you really excited?
I'm excited for you, honey.
Come on.
He's been talking about this submarine all day.
I'm good. How you doing?
All good, you?
Good, good.
Start for a minute when you come out of the car, they just blow on the windows.
Okay.
Then it was nice to see. Just
Great. Thank you.
stay like this all the time. Be up and down.
Perfect.
You can even go up if you wanted to.
Yeah, but you want to see the underneath.
Yeah. Or maybe you want to be up.
No, I want to see underwater.
Harbor. Hello. You can see
There is AC.
there is AC. It's working very well. Look at this. This is do you have my phone?
Yes, I do have your phone.
Can I have it? Hi, fishies. Look, this one lives inside. If you start looking, there is a lot going on, actually.
What? It's a video, not a picture.
Okay. Sorry about that.
Yeah, it's special. It's a nice view up here with the sunset.
Get up.
Yeah, it's worth seeing.
It's a nice breeze.
Nice sunset.
Hey, that goes faster than our cruise for today.
Right.
This little boat. What a beautiful breeze.
Right.
Look at that. What a beautiful Makarska. This is Makarska. It's a wonderful place in Croatia. We're really enjoying this weekend.
Tell us about the statue, Irina.
There's some guy on the mountain and we have no clue who he is. Look it up.
Look it up. That's Irina's travel advice. Look it up.
People are waiting, waving to us.
Hello.
Thank for you back.
Tell me this
Ever.
this is not the best 10 euros spent
This
on
is
this
the
trip.
best 10 euro you spent. Oh, look at that. What's that?
I don't know, but you got the sunset back there
I
too.
love Makarska. Still beautiful outside. I want to enjoy this first. Once we get around the corner, we can get those things.
I think this is where we should start seeing stuff.
We'll see it.
All right. There are the rocks from the review that we read about. Such amazing rocks.
I can see it from here.
You're not gonna come down?
I will.
All right. You have to see the rocks I read about in the reviews.
See what?
The rocks that were in the reviews. They said you can see nothing but rocks, and there they are.
Can I sit down? It's still murky.
There they are, the famous rocks.
So many right here. Look at that. Very cool. Look, the whole school. And there are no shocks.
No shocks.
No shocks. Look how many. It was worth it even just with the sunset.
Right. What's that?
Look how beautiful.
It's pretty nice. Dock.
And that's a ferry where you can drive your car and it's leaving.
It's a ferry to.
Or it just came. Look, the cars are getting off.
Thank you. Voilà, voilà, voilà. Ciao.
Thank you.
That was the best 10 euro we've ever spent. Really? So good.
I'm so glad.
Love that. It's beautiful.
Did you like the music?
We love. There was no music actually. There was no music, but we got on the top and we saw the sunset. After sunset, and we then saw the fishes down. It was really, really nice.
It was so really nice during the day.
Yeah.
We have a good playlist.
Oh, nice. Thanks so much.